we are often tossed. We are often tossed and driven by the restless. Oh, stumble skies and howling tempest of the sea of bright sunshine. In the land of perfect day, when the missiles roll away, we will understand it better by and by. By and by, oh, when the morning comes, when all the saints upon our gathered home, we will tell a story of how we overcome. Oh, we'll understand it better by and by. We are often destitute of the things that life demands. One of food and one of shelter, thirsty hills and barren lands. But we trust in the Lord and according to His word, we will understand it better by and by, when the morning comes, when all the saints of God are gathered home, we will tell a story of how for we'll understand it better by and all trials dark on every hand, and trials dark on every hand. All the ways that God will lead to that blessed promised land, but He guides us with His eye and His voice. For we understand it better by and by, oh, when the morning comes, when all the saints of God are gathered home, tell a story of how we overcome. For we'll understand it better by and all temptations hidden snares. Temptations hidden snares often take us on our flesh, and the heart can make to bleed for many unthoughtless would on thee. And we wonder why the test when we try to do our best, but we'll understand it better by and by. Oh, by and by, when the morning comes. Oh, when we all gather on that morning, amen, we will tell the story. Tell the story of how we overcome. For we'll understand it better by and by. Oh, let's sing it one more time. By and by. By and by, when the morning comes, when all the saints of God are gathered home, overcome. For we understand it better by and by. Oh, church, it's alright. Church, it's alright. As long as I have my God beside me, it's alright. As long as I have His hand to hold, as long as He watches over my soul, as long as I'm under His control, it's alright. Church, it's alright. Church, it's alright. As long as I have my God beside me, it's alright. As long as I have His hand to hold, as long as He watches over my soul, as long as I'm it's all. Oh, I never get married, and I never get weary yet. I never get weary yet. I never get weary praising the Lord. I never get weary. Oh, I never get weary yet. I never get weary yet. I never get weary praising the Lord. I never get. Oh, I feel like shouting, and I feel like shouting up. like shouting, praising the Lord. I feel like shout. Oh, I feel like moving on. I feel like moving on. I feel like moving on. I feel like moving, praising the Lord. I feel like, oh, goodbye word and goodbye word. I stay no longer with you. Goodbye pleasure. Oh, I stay no longer with you. I made up my mind to go God's way the rest of my life. I made up my mind to go God's way. Oh, let's go. Goodbye word and goodbye word. I stay no longer with you and goodbye pleasure. I stay no longer with you. I made up my mind to go God's way the rest of my life. I made up my mind to go God's way. Oh, I'm going home. And I'm going home in the morning. In the morning. Oh, yes, I'm going home in the morning. For the trumpet shall sound and the dead in Christ shall rise. Oh, in the morning. Oh, shalom, shalom. Shalom, shalom. In the morning. Yes, I'm going home in the morning. For the trumpet shall sound. Going home in. Oh, goodbye, goodbye here this morning. Goodbye, goodbye. Oh, yes, Lord.